Hello everybody, I have a really exciting video. This is the Lunar Beauty mystery box. This was the cheapest one because the other ones were sold out. I did already take the bubble wrap, but I haven't really looked inside here. So anyway, here's the sneak peek. And it does look like we have a few brushes, which these are stunning, and I don't know. I didn't know Manny made brushes. I really didn't know. And I'm always looking for more brushes because I don't know. I just love brushes. Anyway, this is a nice tiny little probably shader brush. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. Okay. So this brush is so tiny, which I really like. I think this would be great for the inner corner, great for like lining your eyes with eyeshadow. This is going to be a great brush. It's the LBE7, and it's super soft too. Okay, the next brush we have looks like a nice fluffy crease brush. Which typically something this fluffy I'll use for like my medium kind of shade in my crease, because I normally do a dark shade in my crease and then like a medium one, but I usually put the medium one down first and then I'll do like a light one for like my brow bone. So either I would use it for like the medium shade or I would use it for my brow bone, but it's also super fluffy and so cute. Like, these brushes are very cute. Good job, Manny. Like, good job. Okay. Next, it looks like we have another shader brush. This is the LBE5. Oh, and the last one was LBE1. So LBE5. This is also feels really nice. I think I would do this for the outer crease area personally, is how I would use it. But yeah, it's nice. It looks nice. It could also be a concealer brush. I don't know. Okay, next is a dual-ended brush, which dual-ended brushes, I'll just be honest, they're not my favorite. They're just difficult to wash. Oh my god. But boy, this brush is so soft. Oh my gosh. I could rub this on my face all day long. Super soft. I don't know if this, like, I mean, I guess it's probably a blush or a powder brush and a highlighter brush. There's no number on it, so I don't know, but it's so soft and fluffy. Super nice. Okay, I'm impressed. Alright, let's take a look at these little guys here. So we have a Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick. Gosh, this packaging is so cool. Good job, Manny. Oh my god, and the inside has stars. I love stars, so you know. Coming after my heart. Oh my god. Okay, this is in the page. This is in the shade Perfection. And here is what it looks like. Holy cow. There's like a little jewel on top. Like, oh my god. Ooh, that is a nice nude. Oh, it smells like caramel. Oh my gosh. Here's the applicator. Oh my god. So yeah, that shade is so pretty. I'm excited to use that for sure. Next we have a more great packaging. And this is a lip gloss in the shade Brilliant, maybe? No, Mystery, sorry. The lip gloss is called Brilliant. But here is what it looks like. I can't get over the packaging. It's just so pretty. Okay. Ooh, it's like a thick applicator. There's what it looks like. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. It also smells like caramel, which is great. I love that. Okay. And the last item is wrapped up like this. I'm assuming it is a palette because of the stature. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is way prettier in person. It's the Moonspell Volume 2, which I heard this wasn't like the best representation of the brand, but I'm excited to try it in any case. This is right up my alley. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Wow. This is just so nice. And all these colors are up my alley as well. Yes. I am excited. We'll do quick swatches. Wow, these are swatching really nicely. Especially for purple. Purple is so hard to do from like my experience of testing purples. They're rough. So I think these are swatching beautifully. Ooh, that red though. Holy cow. Okay, so here are the swatches. And that red packs a big punch. Holy moly. I do feel like a lot of these purples are pretty similar, so you probably don't need all of these purples in one palette. It looks like all these names of these shades are like witchy kind of themed, which is really cool. So you have Misty, Willow, Freya, Marie, Myrtle, Gillian, Grams, Queenie, Mildred, Sally, Hilda, Macy, Luna, Cameron, Zelda, Mel, Agatha, Alex, Louise, and Maggie. So super cute. And then here's what the back looks like. I am really excited. Wow, okay. So that's cool. I am really happy that Lunar Beauty came out with mystery boxes. If they got launched again, I would totally purchase again. So I'm very impressed, and I'm really excited to try everything out. So I will let you guys know what I think of everything here in the next month or two. Hopefully I can test some of this stuff out and I can quit being sick and all that. So yeah, I'm beyond excited. There's honestly nothing in this box that I'm not excited for. I don't know how much use I will get out of the lip gloss, but I'm also just not the biggest gloss person. But that's really the only thing that I'm like, I probably might not use that. Everything else I would totally use. I am definitely most excited for this eyeshadow palette, the liquid lipstick, and then to try out the brushes. I just love makeup brushes. These brushes are stunning, and they're super lightweight, which I kind of like. So yeah, I'm overall super excited and very impressed. And I think the box was like $57, so it really wasn't that much for like what you get, you know, and I feel like the pricing is totally fair. And oh my gosh, the corner of the palette, so cute. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed, but this is like a book sleeve, and then it's like a book comes out, which I just think is so cool. And even the texture of this case feels like an old book, and it's nice. But anyway, yeah, I'm super excited. So Manny killed it. He did a great job, and I'm excited to try it all out. I'm excited to share my opinions with you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see more from me, I will link my Glossy Box and BoxyCharm video down below, so you guys can watch those. And then I do have an update / 2022 goals video going up around early March. It might be late February. But that's just to kind of update you guys on everything going on in my life and to let you guys know what my goals are for this channel and other social media things, as well as in my personal life, the goals I want to do for 2022. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.